Hi, so your scrapper bot is ready. Here is the session token for login, and you cannot log in with the username password. And here is the post links. If you want to scrap with the post, then you need to put the post links here. You can add the multiple links as much as you want. And also here is the target usernames, so you can put as much as you want usernames, and the bot will go to these usernames, and it will scrap the followers. So at first, let's run the bot from cmd. Let's run it. Okay, so it will ask you that which mode you want to select. So at first I am showing you the first mode. It will go to the username, and it will scrap all of the followers username from there, and it will take some time depending on how much follower does the user has. If he has lots of followers, then it will take longer. Okay, so this is it. Now let's check that what's going here. Okay, so you will get three files: one for the male, one for the female, and one for that are not sure. So for the male users, you can see these are the male users, and here is the full names, and here is the usernames. So you can actually get whichever you want, and also for the female, same. Here is the name, and here is the full name, and here is the username. In some cases, the name can't appear. Maybe there was some problem. Okay, and here are the not sure ones. Okay, because there are too many symbols and other things, so it couldn't figure out. Okay, so this is it, and let's try it again with try it again with the post link. So like us from post link, let's select two. So I have added a post link, and that doesn't have too many accounts. So let's save. Yes. So here is the new files. So these are the female, or not sure, and these are the females. And these are the males. This has a very few males. Okay, so this is it, and this is it. So let's have a look, and let me know.